Yo, just got home from work, but I'm about to cook for my wife. That's how you do it. Whenever you get the chance, you know what I'm saying? She come home, everything be done. And I'm about to go pick her up from work and bring her home. Yo, it's hump day, on the grind, all of that, daily grind. But, you know what I'm saying? She left some lamb out. We working on the long-term vegan goals and stuff, right? But in the meantime, survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. You know, we still trying to get off the meat, but in the meantime, in between time, we're going to make it sweet. Something good to eat. That's all I'm saying, man. I got my dash. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I got my adobo. Goya adobo, you know? Adobo, un poco. You know what I'm saying? I'm ODing. That's why she hid the garlic from me. Because I OD on garlic. I love garlic. Natural antibiotic. And then I made pepper. Pimienta. See? Pimienta. You know black people like pimienta. Yeah, make it spicy. Alright, so that's what I'm saying, man. Y'all get home, hook it up for the lady. I got to clean up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Run around. But that's what you got to do. She deserves it. You know what I'm saying? The world is changing, man. It ain't like it used to be. Come on, man. Chip in, bruh. All right? Peace. Come on, Monty. One.